Guys, so pupunta po tayo ng gym today and it's leg day or glutes day. So yeah, but right now it's currently like umaambon na, so I need to rush para makapunta na ako dun sa gym. I'm just looking for tricycle. Oh, feeling ko maaabutan tayo ng ulan today, but buti na lang is I have my jacket. So yeah, lakad lang muna tayo because walang tricycle doon banda. So I'll be going there. So nagsasagay na tayo ng tricycle, but then I forgot my water. Ang tanga-tanga ko. Fuck. So yeah, so probably I'll be getting some nearby sa gym na water. Yun na lang muna. Is limutan to it. Kaya I'll take you guys 1 second. Okay, papunta na ko ng gym. I got the goose because like nalimutan ko yung tumbler ko, right? So I just bought water, bottled water. I'll just refill it na lang later. So yeah. Gimute na ko ang ubang clips, guys. Kay klaro kayo ang background sa gym para dili ta maka-copyright in tawon, no. Hip thrust. So I'll be doing dumbbell every end. Let's go, let's go. I'll just rest for 2 to 3 minutes and hop on to the next exercise. So now I'll be doing last session of my program, which is hip abduction. Last na yun siya. So tired. So let's go. So, I'm done with the workout. Guys, pababa na ako and then it's night day. But it's okay. I'm going to eat my Blitz. If you can't take, kung hindi nyo na hihit yung protein nyo everyday, we can use this, guys. So, ang agenda natin for today's video is uwi, magbaktas pa uli kahit para exercise na lang. It's my first time trying this matcha flavor. It's kinda mainit today. Kanina umulan, but today buti na lang at uminit. Matcha is giving matcha tayo. Maglalakad lang tayo. Kainit ang ang dinabaktas everyday, guys. Ha? Nabaktas ako na. Doon naman ko namang house here. Mura siya siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes walk lang. Kung wala kay hapit-hapiton ha. Pero sa akin na mo kung ginahapit-hapitan, so mag-ulan ko ulit. Pero kaya ko yung hapitan. Diretso na ko ulit. Kaya saan ang oras? Hapon na. Kaya after so, I guess, dito na muna tayo hihinto sa ating pag-vlog. Hope you guys to see on my next journey. Samahan niyo po ako sa journey na ito. Okay? Bye.